The novel coronavirus, COVID-19, a pandemic sweeping across the globe, has challenged society in ways once considered unimaginable, forcing people to reconsider a wide variety of practices, from work to leisure to basic travel and daily tasks. Not only has this had individual impacts, but it has also impacted countries as a whole from an economic standpoint, bringing an array of economic sectors to a complete standstill. Vermicomposting, one of product, that's self-manageable products which is using a biotechnological method of composting by combining the role of compost worms and decomposing microorganisms. The composting process effectively turns trash into a beneficial byproduct. This method can speed up the process of decomposition of organic waste into compost called vermicompost. Vermicompost fertilizer is the result of the decomposition of the worm along with microorganisms. The objective of vermicompost machine. The important aim of the vermicomposting project is to create high-quality organic manure for organically deficient soils. Agricultural wastes, as well as waste from dairy and animal farms, are regularly thrown in public areas, resulting in an odor. By vermicomposting these wastes, they are not only efficiently used, but also contribute to the creation of a value-added product. Methodology. Worms are feed organic wastes in vermicomposting, and the worms transform it to fertilizers. By feeding the worms organic food, bacteria that aid in the decomposition of organic wastes are fed to them, speeding up the decomposition of the organic materials. Commercialization potential. Malaysia is a developing country that has the problem of increasing waste production and problems related to waste disposal. Malaysia's population is growing by an average projection of 1.6% annually, Department of Statistics Malaysia, 2016. Similarly, the amount of solid waste disposal is increasing by 3% every year. Meanwhile, a total of 1.2 million tons of agricultural waste was recorded. This waste, if not managed properly, will cause disposal problems. This problem can be overcome by recycling these waste materials. One of the solution steps is using this vermicompost machines to make vermicompost technique. So, the commercialization potential, which is we expect our indoor vermicompost machines to be used in small-scale business such as fish hatcheries, bait market, educational facilities and private labs, domestic farms and garden center, and house. Purpose of innovative products. The worm castings contain higher percentage of both macro and micronutrients than the garden compost. Vermicompost enhances plant growth, suppresses disease in plants, increases porosity and microbial activity in soil, and improves water retention and aeration. Vermicompost also benefits the environment by reducing the need for chemical fertilizers and decreasing the amount of waste going to landfills. So, purpose of innovative products is to provide nutrients to the soil, increases the soil's ability to hold nutrients in a plant-available form, improves the soil structure, improves the aeration and internal drainage of heavy clay soils, increases the water-holding ability of sandy soils, and provides numerous beneficial bacteria. Product engineering. The first step we discussed is in terms of design. We have changed the design to be like a box that is organized and easy maintenance. Then we do not use a machine using manual like the machine before, but this machine automatically with a motor system placed in the machine to move the separator, and also the automatic vermicompost process beside the improvements to be added. We put the wheels on the machine, facilitates the movement of the machine, is easy to move and easy to place anywhere. Secondly, reduce electricity by installing solar systems. The third, puts a removable tray on the inside to be cleaned at any time. The fourth, improvement in terms of incoming air by making inlet water on the machine. The last, place the inner tray with a blender once to help us to differentiate the soil and fertilizer separate. As a conclusion, there are many improvements that can be made in our vermicompost machines. With enough funds, we can do more research and constantly improve and innovate our product. We are also estimating the feasibility of implementing vermicomposting programs to address our local food and organic waste. Given the rise in food and organic waste, we will develop a more suitable model to effectively treat collected waste by vermicomposting in a larger scale.